Namaste dosto, welcome to Kismet Connection. I'm Rohit Shah. I'm a Vastu, Astro Vastu, Numerology, Mobile Numerology, as well as switch words and visiting card and logo design consultant. Today I'm bringing you one of the uh, less shared tip, uh, which brings success, or health, wealth that everyone desire in today's time. So here are the numbers. This number is especially very important. So I have written number six. That's my Kua number. So Kua number you can find on Google. So if you search KUA, so basically it's derived from your birth year. So for the male, it's 11 minus total of birth year. So if somebody is born on 1991, the 1991 total will be 2. So 11 minus 2 will become 2. Sorry, 11 minus 2 will become 9. So that person has to write 9. Uh, Sorry, I forgot the females calculation, but the table is available on Google. If you can search Kua number table on Google, you will get the years and what would be the Kua number for the male and what will be the Kua number for the female. So write this, whatever the Kua number every day with the green pen. Green pen is very important. Then, as usual, earlier, also, sorry, uh, I have done the video on Kua number. So if you can search on my, content, you will find that Kua number calculation as well. If you're not able to find on Google, then early in the year, I share about this infinity symbol with the green pen, so that you have to draw. Here I have written today's number, that is 25. Ideally, it should be with the yellow color, but I don't have yellow pen, so I have blue is the default color. And if you are in urgent need of money, then write 897 on your Venus mount with the green pen. 15 with the circle again is very important. That should be written every day. That also brings the success, wealth, and the advancement. The red triangle here is for balancing the Rahu. So if generally the simple way to understand if the Rahu is weak or not, if you have quite deep palm here in the middle, then that means Rahu is low on energy or is debilitated in simple terminology. So to balance that, you can draw the red triangle. Like as an example, I have done it here. So try these tips, friends, and do share the feedback. I love to have the feedback so that I know that what I am sharing is adding value in your life, in your friends, and in your family. So please do share with your close ones. Thank you very much, dosto. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection.